Welcome back to another video. My name is Max and we're at John Kleis Car Audio, where we're the home of car audio security products. This particular video is about this brand new Yaris Cross GR behind me, and I'm just going to give you a quick walk around because, rather frustratingly for the customer, that this brand new car doesn't come with parking sensors. So we've now sorted that for us. I'm going to give you a quick look around the outside at the solution that we fitted. Parking sensors on the front of the vehicle. Everything is designed to look very factory. Our sensors are flush fitted and colour matched to the car's paintwork. There's one sensor. Here's number 2 sensor, number 3 sensor, and number 4 sensor. So these front sensors will activate on reverse to aid with parallel parking, and there's also a button inside the car which allows you to activate them when just driving up to a brick wall, for example. And if I just go around to the back of the car, we have the rear bumper, where there is also more parking sensors. So here, again, now this is again our parking sensor, flush fitted, colour coded, all painted in-house. Lee was the technician that worked on this job. Here we have number 2 sensor, 3 sensor, and number 4 sensor. So we've replaced the rear valance to give this a complete OEM look. To be honest, there wasn't really a very neat way of mounting sensors into that rear bumper without changing this. So we had a chat with the customer and we told him that this is the best way. Everything looks nice and factory. And it's really quite self-explanatory how it works. I'm going to jump into the car as well just to show you that. Lovely interior inside these cars. So the only switch that we've added is this one down here. This is our parking sensor switch. Now we can fit CAN bus interfaces to have them come on automatically under certain speeds, but we often find that can get a bit annoying in traffic and stuff like that. Quite often we fit this switch. So if you're just heading straight towards a wall, before you come up to the wall, you just give this a hold and they'll wake up and they will turn on like so. The parking sensors will obviously beep if I drive forward and go towards a space. I don't know if you would have caught that on the camera, but it goes to a dim setting, and that's when it doesn't see anything for 9 seconds basically. So if now I just push this because I'm homing on this wall in front of me, and I just drive forward, and you can hear the beeps coming from the front of the car, and that's telling you that obviously we're getting close to something in front. They will flatline when you're about a foot away from the wall. If I just reverse back from the wall to get off of it. Customer has a reverse camera on here as well. And the rear sensors, you should probably hear them, but they're beeping in the back of the vehicle. We're getting pretty close. There's Lee, the technician. So the sensors, they'll just beep front and rear, and you use a little button to activate them when you're heading on straight into the space. As I mentioned, when parallel parking, they will automatically come on so that it helps you get the front end swung in. That's it. This is a super brief video. I'm Max. This is John Kleis Car Audio, where we can fit parking sensors to your car, whether it's a Toyota Yaris GR or a GT3 RS. Get in contact with us if you want to get some parking solutions fitted. Cameras as well we can help with, so anything like that, get in contact and we'll be happy to help. Many thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.